Once again, everybody, thank you for tuning in. Monkey Wrench Mike here at Copart in Tulsa, Oklahoma, looking for all kinds of cars and trucks. I want to give a big shout out to everybody at the front office. Super nice people. They let me come around and poke my nose into all kinds of crevices. It sounds horrible, but I get to look at all these cool cars and trucks. Some of them have seen way, way, way better days. Can I interest you in an MGB? Yeah, this would match Millie, my MG Midget. But this one needs lots and lots of work. Okay, that's just an example of what you're gonna find. They have classics, they have a Shelby Cobra out here, all kinds of Camaros, they have Teslas, they have the BMW i3, all kinds of things. But we're gonna focus, I think, right now on what could be a very good investment. Okay, so this was going to be my very good investment video, but I just stuck my head in there to preview it and there's no key. So I don't want to do that to you guys anymore. I know I do it sometimes. I'm going to try not to anymore. I get excited about a car, I start doing the video, and then I can't find the key, or the key has been stolen, and I'm just not going to do that anymore. So we're going to pick up our stuff, our big gulp from QT, say goodbye to the MG, and show you something that could be, I don't know, a terrible investment. What do you think about these E-Class Mercedes? I don't know. This one needs a bumper. Let's just kind of see what she's got going on. I think because she's so tall, is this the E500 and they put on new shocks and struts? I don't know. Let's just see. What is this? Yep, this is the E500 from 2003. So these come with air shocks, an air suspension. The E350s, even older E320s don't. The E500, they do. But then you get the problems associated with them. And a lot of people do kind of convert them. And it looks like this one has been converted as well. So let's just kind of go under here. I've had the E320, the E350, the E500. This one is a dirty girl. She is nasty. She needs to get cleaned up. She needs to change her ways. But look how tall this is right here. Why? Well, oops. Let's see if we can find out. Where's the... This is just demolished right here. Oh my goodness, this is going to be fun. Hold on. Okay, so we found it. This is already broken. Okay, so you need a bumper and a grill. Well, okay, so your air suspension is still attached. They must have this thing all jacked up. This must be in, I don't know. Let's cross the river mode. Look how tall it is. Okay. Maybe somebody was out here earlier and they just wanted to kind of check on it just to see what it's like. I don't know. What do you think about these? Like I said, I had one that was a beautiful blue, almost a baby blue. I had never seen a car that magnificent before. I don't know if we're going to be able to do anything with this one though, because I got to get in the trunk. And this is dead. She's absolutely dead. Let's see if there's a little point. Well, unfortunately, there's no power point, if you know what I'm saying, under the hood, and I can't get in the trunk where the battery is. So we're just going to have to slowly let this car down. Yeah, I don't know. This, like I say, is a huge, huge, huge risk. At least the air suspension is holding, which is good. I don't know why this is wrapped around here. I don't know why this is doing this. Why would you do this? There we go. We're going to fix things again. Okay. It would clean up. The car would be nice. This black is really, really thick, and you can bring this thing back from just where it looks terrible. Yeah, I can't. Sorry. There's nothing I can do here, so we got to move on. We got to move forward. But I don't know about, if no one else bids on this, I would. I mean, if I could get it for like, you know, $200-300 all day long. I just don't know. So we will mark it down. We will watch the auction. It's something that you can do as well. But there you go, 2003 Mercedes E500, unknown loss type. Well, is this car going to prove me wrong like The other Malibu did, the newer one. This is an older Chevy Malibu. This is from 2011, 2010 even, okay? White over tan. Once again, not in my wheelhouse. These, I don't know why, just don't interest me. I'm just not familiar with Chevrolets. Have I ever owned a Chevrolet? I don't think I have, to be honest. I really don't. This one seems to have good tires. They're Douglas. Lots of tread on that one. Now this is a Hankook up here. So I got mix matched tires. Let's see what's under here. Here it is. Okay. Ooh, that looks like it's in need of some help right there. But we have the 2.4 liter Ecotech right here. Is there power? Is she going to start, run, and drive? I don't know. Let's just turn her on and see what happens. Lost type is normal wear. So there's nothing major wrong if the seller is being completely honest. Oh, this is kind of interesting. Kind of a chocolate brown and a tan interior. Oh, that was the hood. Scared me to death right there. Okay, let's just see what's going to happen. This is nice. There's kind of a chocolate smell inside too. Like someone had chocolate bars or something. We do have power. Oh my, is it gas? Is it gas related? It ran for a second. Which one's my gas gauge? Ugh. This has a quarter of a tank is what this thing says. Come on, baby girl. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Why do you not want to run? 172,000 miles. And even if I keep my foot on the gas, she's not having it. Come on, come on, come on. Bose sound system? Really? She doesn't want to run. Okay, this is kind of nice. I kind of like this blonde wood right through here. What do we listen to? Okay, Taylor, thank you. This is nice. Look at this. Okay, this is like vinyl over suede, which is nice. This is very surprising. These Malibus, I may just have to have one someday. This has OnStar. We'll take a look at the trunk. We showed you the hood. Just one more try. Come on, just one more try. Is that a fuel pump? Yeah, she just doesn't want to do anything. I think the fuel pump is almost gone. Maybe that's it. I don't know. Okay. Ugh. This would clean up so nice. It really would. Look at the back seat. Very comfortable. Oh. Why is the back of the driver's seat different than the back of the passenger seat? See that? That's tan and that's chocolate. That's I don't know why. I don't know why. That's a mystery. And the trunk. Oh, okay. Well, is this a good sign or not? What do we get here? Oh, Crocs. All kinds of shoes. Okay, and some kitty books. Pinocchio, and another container of antifreeze. So, I don't know. Head gasket maybe? Who knows? But I did show you a Malibu, so I've done my service to all the Chevrolet fans out there. And now something from the Ford family. Yeah, 2008. Ford Escape. This has been on my bucket list for so long. I had a friend who drove one. He loved his. He's now in Philly. He's a news anchor in Philly. This one went to high school in Broken Arrow. Okay, lost type. Mechanical. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Let's take a look at the damage. I don't see any. Show choir. Cool frog. And I don't know what that is. We have a cracked taillight right here. We have a bumper that's a little off. We do have some rust coming through here. I mean, it was driven to high school. So you know how tough those high school parking lots can be. It's amazing. She doesn't have more damage. We have highway terrain tires. Corsa tires. That's nice. They match on that side. And Corsa. So we have 4 matching tires. That's great. I'm trying to avoid the mud. Okay. Little SUV. I love the seats. I love how they have two-tone seats in here. Very, very basic. Very, very plasticky. But if you get the 4-wheel drive, you should be good. Oh my. Well, this person was singing more than they were cleaning. Oh look. They wanted to be a star, baby. You're a star, baby. We seem to have power. I have a red light flashing on. Let's see what happens. $174,000 miles. Parking brake engaged. Tire pressure sensor fault. We have the check engine light on. We have a weird smell coming through the vent. That's okay. Parking brake engaged. What's going on? We do have brakes. She goes into reverse. She goes into drive. Half a tank of gas. Okay. Well, why does this sound so weird and smell so weird? We have regular oil changes, I guess. We got one from Jiffy Lube. 182 is when it's due. Oh, shoot. Okay, let's put that back on. That's your parking brake. For some reason, that was on. Here's your hood pull. Here it is. It sounds worse on the inside of the cabin than it does right out here. She is missing though. She's missing a beat every once in a while. Can you hear it? Yeah, she's missing every once in a while. We have a little bit of coolant, not a whole lot. The brake fluid is black, really, really black. We do have windshield wiper fluid. She's just not happy. She needs some spark plugs or something because she just doesn't seem to be too happy at all. This V6 is not happy. Wow. Okay, it's a heavy hood. There we go. I like the white. I mean, it would clean up and look really, really nice. Oh, we got some good door dings. Here you go. Battles fought in the Broken Arrow parking lot. Okay. But yeah. This would require some work. Is the engine gone? No. Power steering still works. Air conditioner still works. It's spitting out some cold AC right now. Let's turn that off. Let's see what they listen to. Does this work? I can't get this to... Why can't I get this to display right up here? I don't know. Is there a CD player? Nope. All right, let me know why the radio doesn't want to come on. It just says Ford Escape right there. This is gross. I don't know what this is. There's a smell. It smells like Teen Spirit in here, and there's somebody blew out that. That's a dumped Coca-Cola or something. But it would clean up, absolutely. Is it worth the risk? It all depends on the price. Yep, it always depends on the price. Well, how much of a risk taker are you? This is pretty risky. I showed you an E500, I think, in a different video, or this one that would be like super risky. I don't know, but sometimes it can be fun. I've taken huge risks and they've paid off very, very well. And then again, I've taken huge risks that have not paid off very, very well. That's why they call it a risk. Okay? I don't know. Let me know what you think about this Escape. Why do I want one? I don't know. I just think it's a good little SUV. Cute as can be, and it'll get you where you want to go, even in the snow if you get the four-wheel drive. So, yeah. And it's a Ford. How bad could it be? Does this even work? Yep. Absolutely. So the windows work. There you go. All right. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. We're back with another video very, very soon, folks. And once again, thanks to everybody here at Copart for letting me kind of come out, wander around, start these cars, talk about them, and hopefully give you guys a good idea of what you can find and how much money you can save. All right? We'll see you soon, folks. Thanks again. Bye-bye.